When learning about the structure of a cell and its organelles, it's often difficult to grasp how it looks and to see the relative sizes of the organelles. It's significantly easier to learn about with a physical model. However, most models of animal cells are expensive. Due to the high price point of most models, teachers often can't afford to spend the money to offer their students an easier way to learn about the cell.
Our group worked with a biology teacher, Miss Doggett, in order to make a model of the cell that would improve the learning experience for her students as well as students around the world, as the entire project is available on Thingiverse. The model includes all major organelles in the animal cell. Each organelle is color-coded and removable so that it's significantly easier to teach students about the structure of a cell.
What impact do you think that this will have on your class whenever you're teaching students to actually learn about cells?
I think the biggest impact is I've got a lot of 2D models, flat manipulatives, but I don't actually have any 3D models for the students to actually be able to pull them off, look at them, look at their size in relation to each other. So I think really the best thing about this is just going to be the ability for the students to see a 3D model, be able to actually manipulate everything, but actually see what it looks like almost, in real cell world.